Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I set up and decorate for Ryan's first birthday party. We're having his birthday party tomorrow, and it is a wild one, Mickey Safari. So I want to show you guys how I decorate and just some behind the scene clips of the setup process because this is not easy. Like, I will probably be up all night getting this ready. So keep watching this video. So I found this idea on Etsy, and instead of paying for the template, I ended up finding this Mickey Mouse template on Google, and then I added Ryan's pictures for his milestone photo. And towards the end of the video, I'll show you guys how the final look of the milestone photo looks, but these are the templates, like I said. And I ended up finding a different font for this that was like the Disney style font that you guys see here. It was super cute and it fit the theme and I loved it. So I have got a lot of Jamar balloons. I ordered all of these like 3 months ago. And so I'm just gonna be blowing up all these balloons. I've got these #1 block letters that I'm gonna have to paint later tonight. I don't know why I waited to the last minute to do all this. Like, it's really giving me anxiety. We've got these little tree stumps that will be like table centerpiece stands. So yeah, let's get on to it. Let's blow up some balloons. Of course, Ryan's gonna always find his way to the balloons. Hey, Ryan. Hey, mister. Alright, so here are all of the balloons all over the floor. And now it's time to assimilate them together to create our balloon clusters. So we're gonna take our balloons. So I had a lot going on in the house while I was creating this balloon cluster. Ryan was all over the place. The dog had boo-booed on the floor. Wesley's mom was over helping paint some of the letters. So I'm just doing a voiceover because I don't want y'all to hear what was going on in the background. But as you guys can see, all I'm doing now is doing the neck to neck method where I'm tying the necks of each balloon cluster to each other so that I'll have a long full balloon garland when it's time to attach it to my grass wall backdrop. Alright, now here is the balloon garland. I have assembled it and built it. I'm gonna add on to it once I put it on the grass wall, and now it's time to blow up the balloon clusters. All right, you guys, so now these are the balloon clusters. As you can see, I've used a 260 balloon to tie them together like so. And next step is installing the balloon garland onto my grass wall. Let's do it. This is the 260 balloon, another view for you guys right here. All right, you guys, so this is the before. Okay, we've got this set up. A lot of the stuff is gonna get moved, so it'll look completely different once everything is created. Hey guys, so this is the set that we have for the balloon garland in the garage. My sister and my fiance's father, aka my future father-in-law, helped do this whole setup. You guys have seen Raina in my other video. She's behind the camera right now. And we're just gonna go ahead and add on to the garland I created. Love these colors, absolutely love them.
We will move the bow flex.
Huh?
Said we will move the bow flex.
Oh yeah, the bow flex will be moved. We just temporarily need to get it out of the way. But yeah, this is it.
It's 105 degrees in Texas.
So hot. But yeah, I'll show you guys the final touches at the end of this video. We're adding clusters. Now you see why people get balloon shine.
Yeah.
Because imagine doing a setup and then the client's like, oh my goodness, this is the final touch. That's why it's always good to have the balloon shine with you. Because with this Texas summer heat, it will definitely make your balloons discolored. So balloon shine will be your best friend.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday. Go, Ryan.
Go, Ryan.
Go, Ryan. Go, Ryan. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Go, Ryan. Smash it, Ryan. Take a piece and eat it, Ryan. Yeah. Take a piece and eat it.
Cola, who want to learn them now? We got green, we got orange, we got brown. Cola, who want to learn them colors? We got black, we got white, we got red, we got other.
Ryan. Ryan. Ryan.
Cola, who want to learn them colors? We got black, we got white, we got other. Cola, who want to learn them now? We got green, we got orange, we got brown.
She felt like that 10 ball number.
Where's it at?